Perfect.
What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Miguel Dwayne. I'm back with another video. If you're new and you're tuning in to the channel for the first time, welcome. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. Before we get started, I want to let you guys know about a few things that happened recently. For one, you guys see this new tee that y'all have never seen before, on me at least. It's an American Eagle long sleeve tee that I picked up about maybe a month ago. Didn't get to show you guys on YouTube, but I did take a couple pictures and I put them on my Instagram. So y'all gonna make sure that y'all follow me on Instagram. Check this post out, like it, leave a comment, let y'all know that y'all showing love, and that'll be about it. You guys see that this shirt is basically a tie-dye, if the camera can pick it up right. It's basically a tie-dye mixed with white, pink, and from afar you can kind of tell that it has like a small hint of light purple, like a cotton candy colorway. So I did pick this up. I also picked up a pair of jeans to go with it, as y'all can see on my Instagram post right here. So yeah, just go ahead and show that post some love, man. Put a nice outfit together, so go ahead and do that for me. I also made a recent sneaker pickup. As y'all can see, y'all know this box, the Nike Air Force One. But which ones that I picked up? Nothing too crazy, just the all white Air Force One lows, man. One of the most popular shoes that's out right now. An iconic shoe that's been going on for years and years, you know what I mean? So yeah, make this quick pickup. Not gonna talk too much about it, not gonna make a whole review on it because I'm gonna just save that for another video. The main reason why I did pick up this shoe is because one, it's dope. I needed it in my collection. You know, always need a new pair of Air Forces. It goes great with whatever outfit you put on. It even goes with this shirt right here, even though it's kind of like being shitty on the camera right now. And it also makes this like the final piece to this bundle that I'm about to show y'all later on for the video. This is what this video is all about. Not for these, but the bundle itself. And last but not least, man, this is by far one of my best pickups, if not the best pickup I've made all year. Your boy has finally got himself a brand new laptop, upgraded to a MacBook Pro. The 13-inch didn't get the 15-inch or the 16, but this 13-inch works just fine. So y'all know what that means, man. I'm gonna be putting in work on this MacBook Pro. More videos, more content dropping pretty soon. I went from an HP laptop, messed up on me, upgraded to a MacBook. No longer using that main PC that I have in the house. I'm not the only one that uses that computer, so it took me a while to edit and put videos out. But now that I have my own device, more videos are coming consistently and all that, man. I'm gonna try my best to end this year off strong since we're in the month of December, and then we're just gonna kick off 2020 with a bang, man. That's my goal. So now we got all that out the way, let's now move on to the main subject of this video. So behind me, you guys can see that I have different pieces that came in one bundle, one package. If you guys recognize the brand, I got this from Young and Reckless Los Angeles, from youngandreckless.com during their Black Friday sale, their early Black Friday sale at that. Now real quick, today, the day that I'm recording this video, is Tuesday, December 10th. And y'all probably wondering, so why are you bringing us this video so late? Well, the reason why this video is out so late is because, just like the rest of y'all, I made multiple purchases throughout Black Friday and Cyber Monday. And a lot of online orders are made throughout that time or any holiday sale. And y'all know that Black Friday is basically the beginning of people's Christmas shopping. There's one order that I made a while ago from a particular website that is still processing, like it hasn't even been shipped yet, and I'm still trying to be as patient as I can because I understand that a lot of orders were made during that time frame, and I'm not gonna just call them and cause mayhem and talk trash and all that other stuff. Like, I'm just not that kind of guy. So I'm just patiently waiting. I'm gonna probably give it towards the end of this week, and then I'll call them just to see what's up, because I do have a concern about this particular order because it's a Christmas gift for someone else. Now I do have a package on its way right now as we speak, so there is going to be another video, basically a part 2 to all of this, because these are basically my Black Friday and Cyber Monday pickups. But this is what came first, and here's what's going to be presented to y'all. So for starters, we have this black concave hat from Young and Reckless. It says Reckless just without the E's, and then down below is the abbreviation YRLA, which stands for Young and Reckless Los Angeles. Right on the back here, along the adjustable strap, you see on the metal part YNR, which is Young and Reckless. And then on the inside, on the side, of course, it says Y and R. And of course, on the inside, all on the inside, you see the word Reckless written all over there multiple times. You know, I want to put this on to show you guys, but of course it's not going to allow me to because of this bun that I have in the back. I'm going to have to do something different with my hair in order for me to wear this hat, or any hat in general, because I used to wear hats a lot back then. Next we have this black and gold simple Young and Reckless t-shirt. It says Reckless right here. It says Los Angeles right above it with 3 stars below it all. And yeah, man, it's just a basic black tee. You can put this with literally anything that you have, any colored jeans, because it's just black and gold. Black goes with anything, and gold just adds that extra hint to it. So that's all it really is. You can wear this tee under jackets, under denim jackets, under whatever hoodie that you wear, including this gold hoodie right here, which we're about to get to next. So yeah, it's not really much to say. Nothing on the back, just all black. And then you just have the wording and the brand on the front. Next up, we have this gold and black Young and Reckless hoodie with black lettering all in the front, all kinds of branding. Just like on the hat, you see it spelled out with Reckless without the 2 E's. Below the underline, it says Rule Breakers. Then up on this corner right here, it has the official abbreviation branding YNR with Burn Bridges written below it. On this side, it has YRLA, which is Young and Reckless Los Angeles. Here in cursive, it says Don't Ask, and then the full spelling in just a different font, Reckless, man. Stylish in many ways. And here you have on the right sleeve spelled out Young and Reckless. They're basically just saying their name all over their stuff, just like how they do on their other pieces. I believe this bundle had a name to it when I looked it up. So yeah, it's actually called the Turismo bundle with gold. So as y'all can see, gold hoodie, black and gold shirt. So that's what basically that was what made the entire thing. So yeah, so that's all that it really is with this hoodie before I put it up, you know what I'm saying? It's another like gold piece. I don't really have a lot of yellow or gold in my wardrobe or in my drawers as far as my shirts go. I think I have like 2 yellowish type of shirts, but that's all I got. And then I got this right here, and then this adds another piece to it. Again, just like the shirt, you can wear this with light blue, medium blue, dark blue jeans, gray jeans, white denim jeans, black jeans, sweats, all that, man. You can do a lot with this outfit. And then just like how I showed y'all with the Air Forces in the beginning of the video, like that can just complete the entire fit right there. And the last item that's part of this bundle, we have this Young and Reckless classic Laney backpack. You see that it has a classic look, a classic feel to it. Young and Reckless right here on the top in abbreviation branding, Young and Reckless Los Angeles. Right in the front, it has this front zip pouch that you can put any kinds of stuff in here. You can put your phone, your wallet, anything in here that's small enough to fit in here. Right here it has a medium front pocket. No, it's the back pocket, I'm sorry. My bad. Just the medium back pocket. And right here, as you can see, it has a divider. So you can put anything in here, books, anything that could fit right there. I could put my MacBook in here, so that's pretty dope. So you can use this, and the way that this bag looked, man, you can see that it just screams style. Now I have another backpack already, not from Young and Reckless, but it's something basic, you know what I mean? This one right here, this Nike backpack. Now it looks like an ordinary backpack, but I always use this when I went to school. I use this to go to the gym. So you know, it's always good to have another backpack to use stuff for other occasions. Now fellas, y'all know we like to carry backpacks around, not just for style. It's more than just a style. Like, you know how we have the fanny packs and stuff, but it's just like with women in their purses, their Gucci bags, Louis bags, Michael Kors bags. They really be having a lot of stuff in there, more than what I think that they need. Like, they have their whole life in their bag, man. Something big enough to travel with, basically. But for us, on a similar standpoint, we like to put it all in our backpacks, you know what I'm saying? Because even though we carry a lot of stuff, not as much as women do, but the stuff that we carry, it ain't all gonna fit in our pockets. So we're gonna need that extra space in a backpack. And that's the reason why I went for this particular bundle, because the backpack added a nice touch to it. Your boy can always use another bag. I like the look of this thing, that vintage look, and it just goes right with the outfit. It can go right with any outfit that I put together, to be honest. I just gotta find the right one to go with it. That's pretty much it for this bundle, man. You guys see all these dope pieces. We got the bag, we got the hat, we got the tee, and we have this dope hoodie. Dope pieces. I've been rocking with Young and Reckless for a while now, so I like the style and what they look like with their pieces and everything. This was the first purchase that I made during Black Friday 2019, so I'm actually happy that I went along with this. So I guess all that's left to do is to show you guys what all this looks like on me. But before we do that, man, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this video. Y'all make sure y'all go follow me on all my social media at Rigel Guy Hobbs. It's going to be right here on the screen as well as in the description below. Y'all give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already, and of course hit that notification bell so you won't miss any more of my videos. And with all that being said, we got the Young and Reckless bundle. I'm Rigel Dwayne, and I will see y'all in the next video.